And we are here to explain you the functions of our hardware. Let's start from
solar
windmill and solar from to motherboard. Next is the motherboard to battery.
Then battery to switch.
Battery to switch and switch to charging board, and charging board to charging port. And after that, you can now connect any type of charging cable.
Here's the sample guide. Now, they charge now. So guys, let's explain how it works. First, windmill and solar. Silang dalawa is nagpo-provide ng kuryente patungo sa battery. These two items is sila ang bahala na nag-charge sa battery.
Then,
Tapos, also si motherboard na nag-control sa lahat na nangyayari sa loob ng ating box. From battery, switch. Si switch ang nagko-control din kung hayaan nyo ba siya mamatay, at nandun na rin kay switch kung papaganahin nyo yung ilaw at anumang bagay sa loob. Then, let's proceed to charging board. So, si charging board naman, from battery, switch. So, si charging board nang bahala na nagpa-function ng charging port. Sa charging port naman, dito natin nilalagay yung mga charging cable natin, katulad ng Type-C, USB, pang iPhone. Then, at saka ang tanong ng karamihan guys, paano ito gumagana? Paano natin malalaman na gumagana ito at hindi sira?